Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want you to click on the like button, click on the notification bell so I can get more videos from me, and make sure you subscribe. That is very important. You can also give your comments. So today we'll be working on the task that says the path to success is to take massive determined action. That's on the project 0x03 shell in its file. So the task is to add action, that's this directory, to the path action, and should be at the last directory, should be the last directory the shell looks into when looking for a program. I'll read that again. Add action to the path action to this path rather. Then action should be the last directory the shell looks into when looking for a program, and you write your answer into this file to path. So we are here in our web term. So I'll use my VI for us to write the answer to path. So use your I to write into it and put the compulsory lines. That's hash call exclamation bin slash bash. Okay. So our answer now will now be exports path in all caps. That's uppercase. Equal to that dollar sign or dollar the symbol, then path in uppercase as well, then colon slash action. Let me just confirm again. Okay, colon slash action. So that is our answer. So let's check our code. If it's correct, you press escape colon WQ. So I'm going to make it executable. So chmod u plus x, then our file name. Right, it is now executable. So we check with ls. So you can see two paths executable. So we can now git add and push. Sorry, and commit rather. Commit dash and then our commit message is the path to success is to make massive determined action. Okay, so we can now push to origin. Git push. Yeah, then let's check our code if it's correct. Alright guys, so you can see our code is correct. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.